Binomials. In multiplying two binomials, you can use the distributive property to get the product, or you can use the FOIL method to arrive at the answer. FOIL stands for first term. First term, outer term, inner term, and last term. So we have an example here. Example number 1. Multiply x plus 4 and x plus 3. So the solution using the FOIL form is the first term, f is equal to x because we have 2x there, equals to x squared. And the outer term, x and 3, x and 3 equals to 3x and 4x. For the inner term equals 4x, and for the last term, 4 and 3, so 4 times 3 equals 12. So the result is x squared plus 3x plus 4x plus 12. Then combine similar terms, 3x and 4. So the final answer is x squared plus 7x plus 12. Also in example 2. Product of the sum and difference of two terms. The product of the binomial sum and difference of two terms is equal to the square of the first term minus the square of the second term. Example 1. Find the product of x plus 7 times x minus 7 and simplify. So the solution, x plus 7 times x minus 7 is equal to x squared minus negative 7 squared. So it will become x squared minus 49, because we just have to distribute it like using distributive form. So as you can see at the solution, square the first term x and square the last term 7, and just change the sign of the last term because it's negative. Square of binomial. The square of a binomial is equal to the square of the first term plus twice the product of the two terms and the square of the last term. So, example number 1, square the binomial x plus 5. So, it will become x plus 5 squared is equal to x squared, because we have to square the first term x, and plus twice the product of x with 5. So, x times 5, then you have to times 2 plus twice, plus 25, because 5 times 5 equals 25. So, the final answer is x squared plus 10x plus 25. Cube of a binomial. The cube of a binomial is equal to the cube of the first term plus 3 times the square of the first term by the second term plus 3 times the first term by the square of the second term plus the cube of the last term. So, we have an example here. Example number 1, cube the binomial x plus 2. So, the solution will become cube the first term x equal to x cube plus 3 times the cube of x by 2. So that is x squared 2. So it will become 6x squared, because we have to multiply it to 3 times. Okay, for the next, this plus 3x to n squared. So 12x is the answer there, plus 2 cube and 2 times 2 equals 4 times 2 equals 8. That's why the final answer is 6. So 3 cube plus 6x cube squared plus 12x plus 8. Product of a binomial and a trinomial. Another type of a polynomial multiplication problem is the product of a binomial and trinomial using the distributive property. Each term in the binomial must be multiplied by each of the terms in the trinomial. The resulting product will have 4 terms or it will have 2 terms. Example number 1. Multiply and simplify x plus 3 times x squared minus 3x plus 9. So the solution, we have to distribute x to each term. So x plus 3, so that x plus 3 times x squared minus 3x plus 9. So equal to 6x. We have to multiply x in x squared and also in minus 3x plus 9 plus for the next term 3 here, and we will also multiply it there. We will distribute 3x squared to minus 3x and also 9. So here is the solution. So the answer there, 3 times 3x squared is equal to x cube plus x minus 3x is equal to minus 3x squared plus 9x because x times 9 equals 9x plus 3 times x squared equals to 3x squared minus 9x because 3 times negative 3x equals to negative 9x plus the last is 3 times 9 equals 27. We have to simplify it and the final answer will become 3x 3 as in x cube plus 27. And for example, last 2 examples is number 1, x minus 9 times x minus 11 equals to x squared minus 20x plus 99 because we also have to distribute it if you want for another solution. So x times x equals x squared and x times 11 is equal to 11x. And for here, 9, so another negative 9 times x equals 9, negative 9. So negative 11x plus negative 9x equals negative 20x. And for the last, negative 9 times negative 11 equals positive 99. So the final answer is x squared minus 20x plus 99. And for the last, x plus 3, then cube 3. So x plus 3 cube 3 is equal to x 3 or x cube plus 9x squared plus 27x plus 27 because like that we also have to distribute it or use the solution from the other slides. Thank you.